on the topic time, distance and speed. So what is the relationship between this time, distance and speed? Can anyone tell me the formula for calculation of speed?
Distance traveled by time taken.
Very good. So speed is nothing but distance by time. So time taken to travel that particular distance, that is your speed, right? So we can state it as kilometer per hour, that is distance by time. That's why we are stating the speed to be kilometer per hour. So now let us discuss a sample problem. Can anyone tell me the statements for these sample problems?
A car travels at a speed of 60 km per hour for 2 hours. Find the distance covered.
So here time is the 2 hours and distance is
Speed is 60 km per hour.
speed is
60 km per
60 kilometer
hour.
per hour. So we have to find the distance. So we know the formula. So what we can do is distance is equal to speed into time. Just move your time here. Speed into time. So 60 into 2, which is nothing but your 120 kilometer per hour. So only one formula. If you know your speed and time, you can calculate your distance. If you know the distance and time, you can calculate your speed. So if you know your formula for speed, you can calculate the distance and time taken to travel. Right? If in case, in question, the time given is meter per second. Okay? So you have to calculate your speed. Now what you will do? So what is the conversion process from kilometer to meter per second? So I am converting kilometer to meter per second by multiplying 5 by 18 meter per second. If you multiply 5 by 18, you can convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second. If I want to reverse it, what I have to do is 18 by 5 meter per second. We have to multiply 18 by 5. If I want to convert that meter per second to kilometer per hour. Okay. So can you tell me any other problem so that we can solve one more problem?
A train covers 180 km at a speed of 60 km per hour. Find the time taken.
So what are the given data here?
Speed
Speed is equal to
60 km per hour.
60.
Km per hour.
Okay.
Distance is 180 km.
Distance is 180 kilometer. Okay. What is the time?
Find the time taken.
What is the time taken? So how will you find your time?
Time equal to distance
Distance?
divided by speed.
By speed. So 180 divided by 60. What is the answer?
3 hours.
3 hours. So time taken to cover 180 kilometer is 3 hours. Okay. So basically speed, time, distance. All the threes are intercorrelated. So if I know the speed, I can find out the other parameter. So there is no need to worry if I have to find the other formulas. If I know one formula, I can convert this formula with respect to time and distance. So you don't need to mug up for the other two. So standardly, you know kilometer per hour. If I am traveling from one place to another, if I ask you at what speed you are going, what will be your answer? 60 kilometer range, 70 kilometer speed. Like that you will be answering, right? What is your bike speed means? What is the maximum bike speed means? I can go from 120. I can just travel at 120 kilometer speed. So the speed is 120 kilometer distance I can travel within 1 hour. That is the speed value. That is the maximum distance I can cover in 1 hour. That is kilometer per hour. So if I know that concept, I can calculate the other two parameters. Okay. Is there any doubt in this concept?
No.
Okay. So can you tell me any other problems? So we have calculated distance and time. So any other problems?
A person walks 15 km in 3 hours. Find the speed.
15 kilometers in 3 hours. So distance is 15, time is
3 hours.
3 hours. So distance by time, 15 by 3. What is the answer?
5 kilometers.
5 kilometer speed. So 5 kilometer speed per hour. That is the answer. So is there any doubt? You are clear, right? In another complex series, there will be one distance, one speed, one time. So what will be the time taken for the second distance in the second speed? So if you want to calculate this, first you solve the first thing, and with respect to the first thing, you can solve the second speed. So only you have to know is what is the relationship between the speed, distance and time.